Hi guys, it's Bosa. Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be taking you guys with me to do like a Banda tour of the Nature Lodge's Bush Lodge. This lodge is found in Queen Elizabeth National Park and it's literally in the bush. The lodge also overfaces the Kazinga Channel. The lodge offers different types of accommodation, but we opted to get the bandas, so I'll show you what they have inside. And also, if you're looking into going to any of the Ugandan national parks this year, I'll definitely recommend the nature lodges. They have juicy combos going on, so check their link, which I'll leave in the description box. FYI, this video is not sponsored. So anyway, moving on, when you get into the banda, there's like a door that is not fancy or anything, and then there are two beds. We always get two beds because I always share a room with one of my siblings. I was sharing this one with my sister, so we opted to get two beds. You do have the option to get one big bed, I believe, if you're traveling as a couple. And then in the center of the room there's this headlamp that you can use in the night. They also had nets, I think, because they have so many mosquitoes here. The banda had wooden floors, which made it look more elegant. That was our bean. Everything at the lodge was eco-friendly. They actually used solar power. And then we had a laundry bag just in case you wanted to do your laundry. We also had this table or desk where we put our bags, and then in the opposite side of the room we had a chair and a table. This is what the curtains looked like. At this point we had not opened like the window part of the banda, so when you walk to the other side of the room you have your toilet and bathroom, no, your toilet and sink. So the one thing I like about nature lodges is they give you toilet supplies just to like clean your toilet if you need to do it yourself, which I think is nice. Then there was this room scent diffuser kind of thingy on a little bathroom tray with two pieces of soap that we never used because we are those kind of people that always carry their soap. So this is what our sink looked like, and then they gave us cheap toilet paper, but you know what, it's just toilet paper, it doesn't matter. So above the sink we had this mirror that you could use in the morning to get ready. So when you take a few steps from the toilet, there's this door that takes you outside, which was my favorite part of the room, the outdoor shower. I think it had such great detail. There were actually two showers, and then there was a little mirror for you to, I don't know what you're supposed to do in that mirror. Guys, I took a shower here the next morning, and it was literally like taking a shower in the wild. I could hear the hippos. I don't know what sound they make, but I could literally hear them outside. So when you get out of the room and go to like the balcony, you have two chairs where you can sit and rest. I don't recommend sitting there in the night because hippos do come to the lodge to graze. During the day you can definitely sit there, watch the Kazinga Channel and every other thing. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's all you have in the room. It's a small room with everything you need. If you guys are interested in me doing like a video on how to find accommodation, budgets and things of the sort when traveling, let me know and I will get to it. Love and blessings. See you in the next one.